Hey everyone, Andy Hayter here with Porsche Center Calgary, and beside me is one of our very first 911 Carrera Coupes. This is a rear-wheel drive only car, so let's have a look at it together. It is night blue metallic on our black standard interior. The new Carrera Coupe is powered by the 3-liter flat-six twin turbocharged engine, creating 379 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque. This car, with the Sport Chrono package, which it's equipped with, is capable of doing 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4 seconds. That's Porsche's number, so you know they're pretty conservative on those estimates. We've equipped the car with premium package, so that'll give you things like the seat ventilation. So the cars come standard with heated seats and heated steering wheel, so you'll get the seat ventilation. Comfort access, which will be the keyless entry system. So just by approaching the car with the key in your pocket, the door handles will come out to greet you, easier to get in, and then just the flick of the ignition and away you go. And then touching the door handle to lock as well. You have adaptive cruise control in this car, so it helps you keep a safe distance between you and the person you're following, helps to mitigate any front end collisions as well. LEDs, headlights with PDLS, so they're self-leveling, turning with the input of the steering wheel. Bose audio, so fantastic audio system in the car, which we do have Apple CarPlay in there and full navigation. And the package also consists of lane keep assist, so that'll help you keep inside your lane if you were to become distracted. The car is equipped with the 14-way power seats, so you have the adjustable leg length, lumbar support, full chair, forwards, backwards, the rocker, and the power backrest. So very comfortable chair there. The wheels are the 20-inch and 21-inch on the rear Carrera S wheels, and we've equipped those with the colored Porsche crests in the center caps. The steering wheel is the heated multi-function GT Sport steering wheel, so the smaller circumference steering wheel, which fits nicely in your hands, and just a different finish inside the car. We have the glass roof, which is the tilt and slide back, and you do have the power shade in there, so very high demand for the glass roof option here in Calgary. Diamar Light Silver is the trim inside, which is an option, and finishing off the trim very nicely in there. Lane change assist the car has as well, so that's the blind spot warning system. Porsche calls it lane change assist, LCA, which is identified here in the side mirrors for you. You'll have illumination if there's someone sitting in your mirror, and it will flash at you if you put your turn indicator on. There is no audible warning to annoy you. Sport Chrono package, like I said at the beginning of the video, so this car has that feature, and you can identify that by the Sport Chrono clock on top of the dash and the turn dial on the steering wheel. That gives you different driving modes, so Sport is standard, so it'll give you Sport Plus, wet mode, so lots of cool features in there. Gives you launch control capabilities, which gives you that 4 seconds 0 to 100, and also gives you dynamic engine mounts, which helps the car handle more dynamically, reduces some vibrations through the drivetrain, and can actually even make the car ride a little bit softer for you. So check that out on Porsche.ca for a further description of the dynamic engine mounts. Really cool system, actually. And with the Sport Chrono package, of course, we've added the Sport exhaust system, so it'll change the exhaust pipes in the back of the car and give you increased sound. Just a must-have again, and of course it's a high take rate all across Canada, I think, and certainly here in Calgary. So there we have it, a very beautifully spec'd 992 Carrera Coupe, or better known as a C2 Coupe for the Porsche files out there. This car is priced at $137,950 plus tax. What a bargain. And again, it's 379 horsepower, 331 pound-feet of torque, so plenty of power out there. And you know, these base models are fantastic now. It's almost scratching your head to go up to the S models, but if you can, why not, right? So anyways, thanks for tuning in. Andy with Porsche Centre Calgary. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.